from Transcription City, and today I'm going to show you how to create a password protected folder on your Mac computer. It's quite useful to get a password protected folder on your computer, because then you can keep any documents in there. You can keep sound files, video files, photographs, or whatever sort of files you want to keep that can only be accessed by the people who have your password. Okay, so first of all we're going to go to Finder, and first thing we want to do is go to where it says Applications, and from Applications you want to scroll down to where it says Utilities, and you click on that, and then from here we want the icon Disk Utility. Okay, so first of all we go straight to Disk Utility, and the first thing you want to do is select where it says File, go straight to New Image, and then Image from Folder. Okay, so you click on that. Now, first place we're going to do is we're going to basically decide where we are going to create this folder, and in this case we're going to create it on the desktop, but obviously if you want to create it somewhere else you can just do it from here. Okay, so the first thing we do is click Open, and then we're prompted to name the new file. So this particular folder I'm going to call Secret Folder, and then you can add any tags if you want to. Next thing we want to go to is encryption. Now you've basically got 128 or 256. Now this is entirely up to you, it depends on what your preferences are, but in this case I'm going to go with the lower encryption just to be a little bit faster. So we're going to click on that, and from here we basically have to select the password that we're going to use. So in this case I'm going to use password, and then verify it to make sure you're using the same letters and press choose. Now the next thing we want to go to is where it says image format, and in this case we want to select read and write, which means when you open your folder you can both read and change the files in there as you want to. Okay, and then we're just going to press save, and then from here it then begins creating your folder. This can take a little while, so it's best if we just sort of wait here. We can see from here that it's basically creating the secret folder, which is actually created on the desktop. You can see it's got a little disk drive in it there. Okay, so that's all done. So click on done, and then we're going to shut this down and this as well. And then to open the folder you just double click on it, and then you'll be prompted to add the password. So remember, you try and make sure that you remember your password, because obviously if you don't you won't be able to open your folder and anything that goes in there. Make sure that you don't click on this remember my password in the keychain, because then obviously it defeats the purpose of putting a password on there if it's remembered as soon as anyone clicks on it. Okay, so then just press OK, and then as you can see you're then prompted to, you'll then see that it brings up this drive here, which looks a lot like an external drive, but it's not. It is actually a folder that you've created with the password. So now when I double click on it, it has got the two files that are actually on the desktop that can only be accessed if we have got the password. So there you go, that's how to create a password protected folder on your Mac. And to just close that you would just press eject, and then again if you wanted to open it you're prompted with the password again. So there you go, that's how to create a password protected folder on your Mac. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was useful. If you want to know more information about encrypting files, or you would like to know more about Transcription City and some of the transcription services, translation services, subtitling and captioning we do, please get in touch at info@transcriptioncity.co.uk, or visit our website at www.transcriptioncity.co.uk. Thanks for watching.